Welcome back to Auto Buzz TV, the go-to channel where innovation meets the open road. If you love cool rides, futuristic designs, and jaw-dropping vehicles you won't see every day, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a ride worth watching. Today, we're diving into something truly unique, a Red RV Camper Tricycle. Yes, you heard that right. It's not a motorcycle, not a full-blown camper van, and definitely not your average trike. This is where compact living meets mobility in a form that turns heads everywhere it goes. At first glance, this three-wheeled beast doesn't look like much more than a stylish oversized tricycle. But as you get closer, you begin to realize just how impressive this machine really is. With its eye-catching red paint, futuristic contours, and compact build, it's more than just a cool ride, it's a statement. Designed for the adventurous soul, the Red RV Camper Tricycle is ideal for solo travelers, minimalist explorers, or anyone who's ever dreamed of packing up and heading out with everything they need right behind them. And yes, it's street legal in many places, depending on local regulations, making it not just a weekend toy but a potential daily driver for the road-loving nomad. Let's talk about the design. The front resembles a standard motor trike with an open cockpit, handlebars, and a windshield that provides decent wind resistance. But as you move toward the back, things get interesting. The rear section expands into a tiny but fully functional camper unit. This isn't just a trailer hitched to a trike, it's integrated into the body of the vehicle, creating a seamless design that looks futuristic and compact all at once. Inside the camper, space is used efficiently. Don't expect a full-size kitchen or a king-sized bed, but what you will find is enough room for a single sleeping area, a fold-out table, compact storage spaces, and in some cases, even a mini sink or cooking surface. It's the definition of micro-living on the move. Powering this red tricycle camper is typically a small to mid-sized engine, depending on the manufacturer. Some versions are electric, appealing to eco-conscious travelers, while others use small displacement gasoline engines that are fuel-efficient and reliable. These vehicles aren't meant to break land speed records, but they offer enough power to cruise comfortably on highways or maneuver easily through city streets. One of the most underrated aspects of this type of vehicle is its maneuverability. Unlike full-sized RVs that require large parking spots and wide roads, this trike camper can squeeze into tighter spaces, making it perfect for urban exploring and off-the-beaten-path adventures. Imagine pulling up to a scenic overlook, popping open the back, and settling in for the night, all without leaving the driver's seat. And let's not ignore the sheer novelty of this ride. If you take this Red RV tricycle out on the road, you're going to get attention. People stop, stare, take pictures, and ask questions. It's not just transportation, it's a conversation starter, a lifestyle choice, and a magnet for those who appreciate out-of-the-box thinking. There's also an element of sustainability here. With lower fuel consumption compared to traditional RVs and a smaller environmental footprint, the trike camper appeals to those looking to downsize and travel responsibly. You don't need a massive engine or 10 feet of interior space to enjoy the freedom of the road. Sometimes, less really is more. Cost-wise, these RV tricycles vary widely depending on whether it's a custom build or a model produced by a niche manufacturer. Custom builds, of course, offer more room for personalization, from solar panels and battery packs to upgraded materials and unique layouts. Factory models tend to be more basic, but still functional and stylish. So, who is this vehicle really for? It's for the adventurer who doesn't mind going solo or with a tight travel setup. It's for the person who values mobility and simplicity over luxury and excess. And it's definitely for the dreamer, the one who wants to see the world one road at a time, without dragging around a full-size house on wheels. Whether you're parked at a campsite, nestled in a remote forest, or taking in the sunrise from a quiet beach, the Red RV Camper Tricycle offers freedom in a compact package. It's bold, different, and undeniably cool. That's all for today's feature here on Auto Buzz TV. If you enjoyed this look at the Red RV Camper Tricycle, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment telling us where you'd take this ride first. Would you go off-grid, cruise through cities, or take the scenic route with no destination at all? Thanks for riding with us. Make sure you're subscribed to Auto Buzz TV for more insane, rare, and futuristic vehicles you won't see anywhere else. Until next time, keep the engine running and the wheels turning.